If Chrome keeps running after you close it, using memory and background resources, this quick fix is exactly what you need. In this video, I'll show you how to stop Google Chrome from running background apps when it's closed, so your computer can stay a little faster and a little cleaner. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder depending on the device you're using. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu icon. Click that menu, and from the drop-down, choose Settings. Now you're in the Chrome settings page. On the left-hand side, look for the option labeled System and click it. This is where Chrome keeps the settings related to system performance and background activity. If you've ever noticed Chrome still using resources even after you close the window, this is the section that controls that behavior. Inside the system settings, find the option that says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. By default, this may be turned on, which allows Chrome to keep certain apps and processes active after the browser has been closed. To stop that, simply switch it off. Once that toggle is disabled, Chrome will no longer continue running background apps after you exit the browser. This is especially useful if you want to reduce memory usage, improve battery life on a laptop, or just make sure Chrome fully shuts down when you're done using it. It's a small change, but it can make a noticeable difference, especially if you leave Chrome open often or have a lot of extensions installed. After turning that setting off, the final step is very important. Close Chrome completely, then reopen it again. Restarting the browser helps make sure the new setting is applied properly. If you skip this step, Chrome may still behave as if the old setting is active until you relaunch it. And that's it. You've now stopped Google Chrome from running background apps when closed. From this point forward, Chrome should fully stop once you exit the browser instead of continuing to run in the background. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.